Hello, first of all, my name is Felipe Arias Marin. I am 27 years old. I was born in Medellin City. Um, Now I am a student at the system engineer at the UNAD. I have been technical support for 5 or 6 years. After my presentation, let's start. Um, okay. The last December, I was on vacation visiting the park Juan Pablo II in Medellin City. In the Medellin City, I spent all day enjoying this park with my family. The most magnificent pool was the one for the children. Okay, 8 tips in the park is very important. It is recommended that we always carry umbrellas. We need to be warm so as not to have colds. We should not swim in pools if it is raining. We must keep our things in the lockers. People should wear a bathing suit and hat. You should not run around the pools. We should eat alone in restaurants. Children should always be accompanied. Okay. And advice for the park. If you go a hot place, you should have a sunscreen. You should always accompany the children. We must carry sunscreen. You should not run around the pools. Okay, this is my presentation. I see you later. Goodbye.